Welcome again, and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Hope and trust that you're doing fine, keeping safe, and in good health. So, most of you might have known that the Dr. Beenie Man has found new love, but this has caused many speculation and rumors circulating online. And the female sought to clear the air about these rumors and speculations. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back, and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching the Scoop, please remember that's to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click on all so you don't miss a celebrity update. So, King of the Dancehall, Beenie Man, has apparently found new love again, and the dancehall veteran has also been in the UK for some time, touring and recording new music. But he took to Instagram the other day just to show off his new girlfriend to his over 800,000 followers and also shared an embracing photograph of the lovely female. But during this publication of the report and also what has been going on in social media, Beenie Man and the new girl has been getting a whole lot of backlash on social media after a number of rumors began to circulate in relation to the female actually allegedly being the ex of Bounty Killer, and a number of other rumors have been circulating on social media. So the female took to her social media account in order to clear the air in relation to this misconception on social media. I can't understand why people want to do such a thing, such as this, spreading false information, especially as it relates to the Dr. Beenie Man. And as you know, Beenie Man has been at the center of many controversies before in relation to relationships in the past and so forth. As you know, Beenie Man was recently dating media personality and also the PNPYO former president as well, Crystal Tomlin, and they both share a child together. But all I can say is that I just wish Dr. Beenie Man the best in his musical career and also his relationship. And people need to just stop spreading negative news about the doctor and also his lovely female as well, because it's not good when people spread misinformation about you. And the thing about it, some of the times people will just believe in these information and put them out there. But we're not here to do that. We're just here to clear the air in relation to the matter. I'm about to play the video that the female did, just in order for you to have a better understanding of what has been going on. But a number of people have took to social media just in order to congratulate Beenie Man on this bold move in becoming a new individual and also portraying himself in a different light as it relates to forming a new bond with a different female. Many people have been speculating whether or not Beenie Man will put on the ring on this female once again, but we don't know what the Beenie Man is thinking right now. But we just have to wait and see how this relationship pan out. But Beenie Man has been one of our top recording superstar, not only locally but even on the international scene, and he still continues to dominate with his music and his craft of performance that has left the world stunned at numerous events that the Doctor have participated and will continue to reign as one of Jamaica's top premier dancehall entertainer. But without no delay, let's go over to what the female had to say in relation to her clearing the air about the misconception that has been circulating on social media, and also just to shed some light about what really is going on. So let's go over to that right now, right here on Links 007 TV.
A lot of people didn't know, weren't aware that Kaka and I had depart as apart from each other, right? Because I'm not somebody that would come and to literally speak these things. But a lot like people in the fraternity, wow, it's literally been a while. And I'm sure we all saw what had occurred previously on live, and it just didn't go well since then. However, that's not what I'm talking about today. I'm literally discussing the slander from the YouTube bloggers that has been that has been coming from this particular person. which is a sister-in-law to Moses. She's the one that actually been sending all these, being malicious, vindictive, painting a picture, a bad picture of me. Things where this woman don't know of me. This woman is just being jealous. See that woman here? I'm gonna make her hear something. She and Moses was our friends. I've known this woman to be a friend of Moses over 20 years now. Since the first time I met Moses, I've known her to be friends with Moses. However, it happens that she got married to Moses' brother. Now Moses, her daughter had now started to have a relationship with Moses. I don't even think it's a relationship, but whatever, she started to have a fling with him and decided to use pregnancy, as a lot of women always do. Use pregnancy for try to get closer to the individual. But the only thing, the pregnancy was a myth. Me no business with that, because at the end of the day, that was Moses and I weren't involved. We weren't intimately involved until just now, until recently. The problem this woman have, is because she and Moses has been friends for all this time. Yes, Moses, the reason why myself and Moses, a lot of people aren't aware that Moses and I have known each other for so long, is because I actually went and were friends with Bounty Killer like 7 years after I met Moses. I know Moses before even my partner, my husband, I've known Moses from a childhood days, from Craigtown, Jonestown, because of Jonestown, me come from Crook Street, and Moses from Craigtown. So I've known Moses from then. People don't know this. This woman is sending all these things around and trying to make it seem like my ex-husband and Moses are friends. She's the one behind this. The woman is the one. She are the woman and her daughter behind them something here. Me not trouble nobody. When I came into the relationship with Moses, I know my place, my boundary. And never once would have told Moses that him and this woman, I have no reason to would have any issue with their friendship. Until now, what she's been doing. Because the issue is with Moses and her daughter. Moses, and whatever the situation is, he might have forgot to talk about them. That's, you understand? But at the same time, the problem is occurring from the woman daughter. If somebody don't want your daughter, get it, man. And get going. And can't, if somebody is not interested to have a relationship, you're not pregnant. The girl I hear, she's going around telling people she's not pregnant. You can't pregnant one time, you're sending instruction from a pregnancy test to the man. And telling the man that's result. Instruction that has the different instruction telling you what does the lines mean from what doesn't, what reads from what the reading is reading. This is how naive the situation is. This woman has been stalking, her and her daughter has been stalking, calling up my name, slandering me for literally over a month. It's about 2 months this has been happening. I've never said anything. until now what she's actually gone and done with these YouTube bloggers. And there's a specific blogger that she's actually targeted, which is King Mix-Up. Now, he's now has actually been discriminating me to the fullest. Just because this woman has her vindictive feelings towards whatever situation. Moses and the woman was friend, you know. But Moses and the woman was friend. Moses have a problem with the woman. Moses just want to know say him just go so and break the daughter. Because the daughter is going around with all these crazy stuff in her head and talking about him and her have it and the pregnancy that she's claiming she has. The belly she claims she has right now. That's not my business either, you know. Because I don't care what Moses and his affiliates had in the past. Now, I put up about toxic. These are the toxic people I'm talking about. When them jump and take my run with whatever I've written, and they've gone all over social media and trying to instigate other issues and fabricating other lies. This is the toxic I was talking about. Nobody knew what's been going on. This woman called his phone morning, noon, night for the past month and odd 2 months non-stop. And everybody know that woman here. Know that she look at everybody feeling the same thing from her. I understand say you're upset. Because right now you're not hearing from him. Because I talk to you too and you tell me. Remember say you talk to me and tell me about the deadlift money there, you know. Remember you tell me about the deadlift money that you and your daughter fighting over, you know. Where you and your daughter fight over. In a court right now. For your mother deadlift money. All of a sudden, all of this. You tell me say I not share the problem. You tell me say you not busy with she, I should say. Remember, you tell me say you're not responsible for your daughter, you know. You're not business with she. Because she shouldn't got pick Beenie Man in the first place. Because remember, say, it's his niece. Remember, say, I'm niece-in-law. It's your ex-husband. Him sadly passed away. Beenie Man, brother, you did marry to. For a short period of time. Remember, say, him and Beenie Man is brother. And she take your brother-in-law. You understand? When you not hear my mouth, me no need to talk to you, woman. You 62-year-old. 62-year-old with all those filth coming out of your mouth. And you're going away stalking. You stalk us on the phone. You not have enough. For 2 months now you're stalk with. 2 months you've been stalking us. The past 2 months you're stalking us and you don't get enough of it. You're stalking. You're gone to social media now because you see. Me now come in on a tracing, no curse and all of them. Something they will style you up and class you up, you know. Because me can do that. Me can do that. But me no need to do that. Because you see, this has gone further from where it is right now. It's gone beyond. And you has now gotten not only yourself, because you've incriminated yourself, lady. This is to show how dunce you are. You've been incriminating yourself all this time. I haven't said anything. I just allow you to do all the stuff that you're doing and send all your threats. Do all your malicious acts. And I just gather the information. Because I'm in no trouble, yo. I'm in no trouble, yo. You should not do this to me. I'm never trouble you. We get the message, them, the email, those voice notes that me hear a circle. I'm going to make you hear it. Oh, disrespect for the woman. Someone hear it already. But I'm going to let you hear it. Oh, disrespectful this woman has been. Oh, she's sending messages to somebody that is supposed to be our friend / previous brother-in-law. Me not supposed to inna this. Me not supposed to inna this. A picture them where the woman say a data cause the picture them where upload one little day, you know. One little day me get one little birthday, little flowers, little bright roses will look bright and the man a feed me and them little something. Just one little dega birthday, my birthday. And nothing. And nothing. I want little birthday, little roses, and the man I say happy birthday. Anybody can, and nothing that anybody can say that. Them can say it today and I mean it tomorrow. I saw it go. And nothing. So we take it so serious for lady. We no go, no take on a collage, we no mix up all type of things from the wappy kill, fill up and put all type of things together. It's not a problem to me. We no put all type of video, record, this, to no send them go. All type of flowers are show. Funeral flowers and all them things. Them not have a problem with no things. Will not trouble me for. Don't trouble my man. Don't trouble my man. A long time and I do this to me man from my birthday. So me put up a little something them man. Come on man, lady man. You ring me down, you ring me. You disrespect, you send disrespect and threat to my mother. Violation. I come tell my mother say you go chat me up. Woman, oh you done so? Why not stop incriminate yourself? You walk and send to all the blogger bust you up. Me I gonna make you hear out when the blogger ball out her name and talk about her daughter when time them I tell them say, them telling them say, for cover them face. Me I gonna make you hear the something them. When King mix up, bust them up. Cause him get the blog, him get them sending the things them to the man so much. Them bombard the man turn idiot. The man turn idiot and I thought be confusing, rigmarole, something mix up, something foolishness. The way all them bombard and she's like that cause she's been a stalker.
You little nasty Kobe, dirty soap, lick up. And you kiss her with all the consumption and all the man them was in our blood mode. The germs, you know the same. You bastard. Them a wait for you and I down at Jamaica. I mean, you don't see how them a wait for you in Jamaica. You better ask for residents in England because them a wait for you in Jamaica. Them a wait for you and I down at Jamaica. Them a wait for you in Jamaica. Wait till dog eat you and I supper down at that. In an ambition, after you calculate your friend, you're going to take her again, take the whole toilet where you can't have a flush and the people that used to tell me say you're disgusting and you're lying with you, but we never believe them. You have to see that Jamaica when our husband ever come down there with 6 sex in the city and you and I down there. You come up here and I look for my daughter for coming intimidate. I don't know. You know, I want to tell you, you at any day me will come, you know, I will put a can defend it, you know. If any day me all you know, you better not make me all you know. I hope you.
Alright. You hear the woman? You hear her? Alright, let me listen. No, I'm not here to talk to say how Moses want me at all. But I'm just talking what she's actually. Maybe you just came on, but I'm just talking about what she's been sending around. She's the one. And she is the one that has been behind sending around all these malicious stuff and all those things to the bloggers, especially the man named King Mix Up. I hear everything. I listen to some of them. I knew it's coming from, I know it come from her. Me and Moses has been perfectly fine. We're happy. We're just trying to grow our relationship. Kaka and I are not together. We haven't been together for a long time, for over a year, 2 years. I've been single. I can date whoever I want. Kaka don't have a problem and Kaka has no problem. I have where I can tag what my husband has to say, my ex-husband has to say about this whole situation. My ex-husband just want me to be happy. You're calling up my ex-husband name. I talk about Kaka and Moses are friends. Acquaintance are friends. Where you just have this one picture I send round with Moses and Kaka in Sex in the City. Where Kaka, when me and Kaka did their Jamaica about 4 years ago. And this picture when Moses into the party. That's the picture you have. I send round to the bloggers, them say Kaka and the man is friend. You even say it into your voice, into these voice notes about me and him a friend. She say Kaka and him a friend. Which part Kaka and Moses are friend? The 20 years when me and Kaka was together for. I never ever one day go with Kaka, go meet Beenie Man nowhere. Or I've never ever heard Kaka calling Beenie Man's phone, or I've never heard Beenie Man calling Kaka's phone, or I've never heard Kaka any contact with this man unless if we were to bump into each other, if they were to bump in each other out. That's affiliates. That's an acquaintance. I don't understand why you're trying this narrative. You're trying to change this, make this whole narrative seems as if this man and this man were friends and having the whole world. But you get what you want. That's what you were after. You got it. So I hope you can deal with the next. You see that dead left money that you're talking about. So you're gonna use the dead left money. You see that dead left money. I hope you get it in time when the lawsuit slap you in your face. Yeah? I hope you get it in time. Because, lady, in case your daughter never advised you well, all these things you're doing, you incriminated yourself. Yeah? Next, make on the ear. I'm making to hear something else. Where King mix up, grass them up, bust up them for make them feed them eat your ear when him turn idiot and I call up them name in the hole cause them keep a post to him and them man turn fool and start talk about.
If you heard me calling the girl next to Beenie Man Debbie, my apologies, you feel what I'm saying? But me can't re-edit that video, yeah. I'm just re-editing it and putting this in it. That's not the girl named Debbie, but that's his girl, though. Oh, and I blocked out the girl's face because she said that, you know, she's a respectable woman and she don't want to be, you know, the passa. You see me, I say? But we all know who she is, who know these pictures, you know what I mean? She bakes cakes. I would just say that, you see me, I say. But a long time them they're together, you see me, or they have a long history together and stuff. But like I said, we're gonna blur out our face.
You hear that?
And things, you see me. But
I
know,
again.
dog like Beenie Man toes and
the people them sending them things, them send and bombard the man turn idiots. I don't want to call nobody name right, so. Right now, it's not about who, what, would, what. You understand me, say? Love me, make me be me. Me do me and me be me. I don't need to hear who want, do what. That's a phone business and fear business and everybody. I don't want to call nobody name. I say it's not about nobody, about me. And me and what them I do to me. When I not hear the whole heap of nastiness about me and the people them I walk, I talk about all type of man and all of the some where this bitch where this woman I walk and I spread this narrative she walk and I try to spread and this the picture she try to paint upon me. I never say nothing no go so. The whole on run with it. Don't on run with it. We not go around and talk about bounty killer my man and being my allen. Something that went since bounty killer my man. When see me never know say bounty all this time me there some never know say bounty killer my man. Me just as things know me know say killer my man. All of a sudden killer becomes my man. Who never tell me this long time? Who never tell me this long time? Even if you don't want to say him a grind me. Me never know say me and him in that big position. Me have that big position when me was bounty killer woman, where Beenie man take a bounty killer girl. Woman, me never know that. Me just know this now. Woman, because you are send around them narrative that you. Killer is a man, Killer my virgin. Killer my, me will always respect Killer, and Killer likewise myself will respect me, and none of them can stop me from me and Killer from talk, as Killer and me will always be friends. We respect each other. We're not you, lady, we walk and do this, cannot stop no form of friendship from me and Bounty Killer. You're too enough. You walk and spread all type of things to the bloggers them. And look how you get everybody in a problem. You and them. Come have all of the evidence them. See same king mix up, but you don't want to play the whole of it. See the same king mix up, call up your name. Call up Debbie. Where your name I do this, and the whole topic isn't about no Debbie. The topic is about me. One piece of dirtiness, people sending voicemail, by WhatsApp. And I done me a call all type of man name, dead man name, when me not know, when me never talk to yet. But you get it, I'm glad you have your field there. I hope you can deal with the next step. That me come talk about. That me not have nothing else to say. Me and Moses just continue. The next stories about how me and Moses, how long we know each other, that is our next topic. But another me come talk about. And me no response who want talk, who don't want talk, and who want that not have nothing to do with me. Me I talk because of me. At the end of the day, them did a try for hurt, but them never know say the God when me serve would have turn it right back around upon them. Them try, them should have just try it and leave it. Them never know did I turn back upon them. I'm tell you, see you, woman. You see you, woman. You. Me not have nothing more to say to you. Me not have nothing more to say to you, woman. Till when time anything reach you from the government, from the law, at them time there, me and Yaga in a make a fight right there, so. Alright. Make a fight right there, so. Lady. Anyway, guys. So why our daughter got pregnant? Our daughter pregnant. I explained that already. I don't know, you know. They must know why him and him niece-in-law, why him she pregnant for her uncle-in-law. I don't know. They must know why. Me not come for address bounty killer situation. Who never hear it, me done so. I'm say already that now have nothing. Bounty killer, me not come for address none of them something there, to be honest. Me just we kind of talk about a little parts of it. Like the situation what they've been putting out there. But me not come, there's nothing to talk about with bounty killer situation. I've spoken about it already. To be honest, you're supposed to video it now, video for video, send it out, send out what you send out, edit what you edit, and do the most. But just want that woman you, we keep on send the threat, you just know, say, is a next level, I'm taking it to a next step here. That's all I want. And I want to big up everybody, all of the people that has been supportive of me and Moses, and all the people that has been supportive of myself. I thank you guys. I've been good. Just been watching what's going on. And as always, I am the superwoman. I'm a strong person. I know how to deal with all these things. It's been, years. They're always try to knock me, but they never can succeed.
Well, there you have it. That was Beenie Man's new girlfriend sharing her side of the story. I hope you enjoyed watching and we enjoy broadcasting it to you. This has been Links 007 TV, and this is where we're going to sign off for this one. Peace out and bless and have a productive day from the Links TV family.